Most people don't fail at coding because it's too hard. They fail because they never actually practice properly. They watch tutorials, feel like they get it, and then freeze the moment they try to build something on their own. So, what if learning itself forced you to practice from the very beginning? That's where Educative comes in. It's a platform built around one simple idea. You shouldn't just learn coding, you should be writing code while you're learning. And in this video, I will walk you through what it offers, how the features actually work, where it's strong and where it falls short, and whether it's worth paying for. So first, what exactly is Educative? It's an online learning platform focused on developers. But instead of videos like Udemy or Coursera, it uses interactive lessons with built-in coding environments. So while you are learning, you're also writing code, running it, seeing real output, all inside your browser. No installations and no setup. Now, this is exactly where Educative really separates itself from the other learning platforms. Every lesson has a live coding setup. So you write code, run it, test it instantly, and all that inside your browser without installing any other software. And instead of generic feedback, the system actually analyzes your approach. It can tell you if your solution works, but also there is a better, more efficient way to do the same thing. That kind of feedback is what actually improves your thinking, right? So, once you have the basics, Educative helps you structure what comes next. Instead of randomly picking courses, you can follow guided learning paths, roadmaps like full stack developments, machine learning, or generative AI. Each path stitches together courses, projects, and exercises into a clear progression. And if the predefined paths do not fit your situation, you can build your own. Educative asks a few questions, your current level, your goal, and timeline, and then generates a customized plan for you. So instead of guessing what to learn next, you can get a direction immediately, that too inside Educative. Basically, learning concepts is one thing, building real projects is where things click, right? Educative has hundreds of guided projects, full applications, API work, experiments with AI tools, everything runs in the browser, so no environment setup is needed. And I've been a big fan of Udemy to learn coding and many other languages, but Educative excels every other platform when it comes to talk about live projects, right? For cloud and DevOps folks, there are cloud labs, pre-configured environments where you can work with AWS, deploy applications, practice real workflows without ever worrying about billing or configuration. If your goal is getting hired, this might be the most valuable part of the platform. Structured interview preparation plans, AI powered mock interviews, coding and system design simulations. You can practice in something that actually feels close to a real interview and gets instant feedback for you as well. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Educative recently launched something called Fenzo. It's an AI that builds courses for you. You type what you need, what you want to learn, or upload your own notes, slides, documents, just like you chat with ChatGPT. And Fenzo generates a structured course with interactive lessons, quizzes, images to help you learn better, and exercises, and that too in just seconds. So instead of hunting for right course or right learning path, you just create your own, and it's not limited to coding. You can use it for AI concepts, business topics, and professional training as well. This is probably the most forward looking feature on the platform right now. Educative also has a mobile app which is Educative Go. So you can keep learning when you are not at your desk. So you can explore courses, learn, and also do interview preparations right inside the application. Now comes pricing. Educative is subscription-based plan that starts from $13 per month on annual billing, going up to $21 depending on whether you want projects, cloud labs, or mock interviews included, right? It's not the cheapest platform, but it's also not trying to be. The wrapping up question is Educative worth it? If you're serious about sharpening your coding skills, practicing consistently, or preparing for interviews, then yes, it's one of the best, one of the better platforms out there. And if you prefer sitting back and watching videos, this probably isn't for you. So, with tools like Fenzo showing up, learning is slowly shifting from consuming content to generating exactly what you need. And that's a pretty big change, right? So guys, if you want to try it yourself, all the links are in the description. Courses, paths, projects, cloud labs, Fenzo, the mobile app, everything. Everything is in the description below on this video. So make sure you check it out, click those links below, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well.